In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called Introduction to Simplifying a Sum or Difference of Radical Expressions, Univariate. We have these two radicals that we're asked to simplify here by subtracting, and in order to subtract and combine radicals, what is underneath the radicals must be the same. And here what's under the radicals is different, however, each one of these is possible to simplify. And remember, for square roots, we can pull out from underneath the radical perfect squares, such as 2 squared, which is 4, 3 squared, which is 9, 4 squared, which is 16, and so on. So in this first part, we have the square root of 27w, but 27 can be written as 9 times 3, keeping the w, because since 9 is a perfect square, we'll be able to remove that from the radical by taking the square root. And then for the second radical, 12 can be written as 4 times 3. And again, we want to do this because 4 is a perfect square. We can take that out from under the radical, and we still have the w. So now simplifying this first part, the 9 can come outside the radical, because since the square root of 9 is 3, we can bring that outside, and we're left with the other 3w still under the radical. For the second radical, the square root of 4 is 2, so we can bring that 2 outside the radical. And again, we have just the 3w left under the radical. And from here, I can see that I have 3 square roots of the square root of 3w minus 2 square roots of 3w. Since these radicals are the same and what's underneath the radical is the same, we can combine like terms here. Having 3 minus 2, we would be left with just 1 square root of 3w, which is just the square root of 3w as our simplified solution.